What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the issue when Clash of Clans is not loading into the game or if the app is crashing on your iOS or Android device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First of all, make sure to close Clash of Clans and all other applications running on your device. Preventing too many apps from running can already fix loading issues with Clash of Clans on your device. Next, open up your Settings application. On iOS devices, scroll down and tap on General. In your storage settings, look up Clash of Clans. You can then select to offload app, which will get rid of the app cache. This can fix loading and crash issues with Clash of Clans. On Android devices, look for the Clash of Clans app in your settings and clear the application's cache from here. You should also make sure that you have enough available storage left. Some mobile games write new data while in-game, and they will not load or crash when you don't have a minimum of storage left on your mobile device. In case the problem persists, then go back to your general settings and select date and time. Here, make sure that your device is setting the time automatically. This can fix sync issues with the Clash of Clans servers. You should also make sure that your device is running the latest software update. Under Software Update, make sure to download the latest update, which will require you to restart your device, restarting all processes running on your device. Lastly, make sure that your Clash of Clans application is up to date. Open up your app or Google Play Store and look up Clash of Clans. This will show you if the application is up to date or not. If you feel like the issue is related to your network connection, then switch your connection from cellular to Wi-Fi or vice versa, and make sure to use a speed testing site or application such as Speedtest to see if you're using a stable network connection. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.